Today we're looking at Gremlins, Ultimate Gremlin. They're cute, clever, mischievous, intelligent, and dangerous. And once again, there's the Gremlins, Ultimate Gremlin by Neca. On one side you can see the nice Gremlins decal, and the opposite side it's the same exact thing. It's really nice. The back portion you have a couple Gremlin in different situations, and on top you have the plot of a movie. A gadget salesman is looking for a special gift for his son, and basically here's where he ends up buying a Gizmo. And Gizmo's basically the one that starts it all. And Gizmo's the one that's cute, not like these other ones are more horror looking ones. And the way these were born is if water touches Gizmo, or if they eat after midnight, they replicate pretty much. Which is a funny idea, but like the movie was one of a kind and it's a classic nowadays. And this is how the Gremlin looked inside, the striped. As you can see, he comes with his playing cards, his doodle bar, his Skittles look-alike, his Coke, his beer, popcorn, 3D glasses, and a cigarette. And then this picture right here that they got, this little wallpaper, is really cool. It looks really good. So here's the box. Now let's look at the character itself. So here we have the striped Gremlin just standing on his own. The doll itself is pretty difficult to stand on his own. You have to kind of mess with him, like balance him. If you just try to stand him up with only his feet, he kind of like falls back. You have to like crouch him forward a little bit, twist his little body forward. And you can see his torso moves, his leg moves. It's bendable at the elbow, but it's a little difficult. But his hands pretty much move. It looks like he's supposed to be bendable from his knees, but it doesn't. Like, but his legs does twist. So yeah, this is the character himself. Overall, the detail on this is really good. Like, the character itself is very well made, as you can see. So let's place him to the side and take a look at some of the props he comes with. So the first thing he comes with is a doodle bar, which is supposed to be like a chocolate bar. I guess kind of looking like the Three Musketeers nowadays. Next up is the Brat Bites, which is supposed to be like the Skittles of today. Don't want to get a copyright claim, you know. And next he has his little playing cards. Can't have a Gremlin without his playing cards. And you can't have playing cards without his little cigarette. And I must say this, I almost lost it like a couple of times already, so beware with this. It's easy, you lose it very easily. And of course next is his beer mug, which is really cool. And you can't have a beer mug and all this and be at the movies, like movie themed, without your soda. As you can see, the C looks really like the Coke, but it just says cola on it with some ice and a straw. And of course, if you're at the movies, you need your 3D glasses and your popcorn.